What is up, guys? So today, as you see, I'm not in my normal setup. I'm actually on a Greek island called Zakynthos, and I'm here visiting a friend of mine, a legend probably, I would say, also of the Greek drift scene, because we are trying to get ready. Maybe next month, maybe we're gonna go on an adventure to our kart track in Risio, that's like the north of Greece, where we want to make like bring my car, bring his car, his second car, because you will see now he's normally is known for his E46, a red one with a green with a black tribalish livery. And now we're gonna show you his second car. By the way, the first car, you can see there's gonna be a video here up, a link, because we did a review on it, but we're gonna do it in English once more again someday in the future when we're gonna get it back, because now he has it somewhere fixing. Hello, Sakis.
Τι έγινε?
Καλά.
Και εσύ θα πράσινα.
Έτσι. Τι θα ξεβολτώνεις πράγμα,
Με πιάσεις. Με πιάσεις τα πράσινα.
Βυζάκι. Φρέσκο το τζόλι.
Αντέξιμο. Ο Γιουλάβας μικρός. Σοπάρε.
Μάχη μου. Μάχη μου.
Μάχη μου το λαγί είναι αυτό. Φίλοι. Βγάλουμε το τζιν αύριο να κάνει.
So this is the 36 WAGON I was telling you about. So this shop has a lot of history of basically Greek drifting history, and normally Sakis is known for this guy here. But at the moment it's not here. But you have seen another episode of it. Next time we'll come here, and next time we'll come here, the Corollas also will be here, so we're gonna do another second video reviewing the 86. No, the last video failed, but I did show you some of the fragments. But the livery didn't went well because my machine made some stupid things, which I was really limited on my material, and it didn't feed right at some point, so that led us to don't have all of the material we needed to complete delivery. So what we decided is just to take it out and build a new one next time I'm gonna be over. So anyway, today we are going to the track to have some sit time, to have some fun, and yeah, with the sexy, cool looking stance driftable wagon. Yeah, so
Step right up, step right up. Όχι, τι λέει. Είναι ζωντανό.
Τι κάνετε εδώ πέρα?
Τίποτα. Ήρθαμε να φτιάξουμε λίγο το...
Εσύ πώς και από εγώ, εσύ ο στρατό?
Εγώ είμαι στρατό, πήρα άδεια τώρα. Ήρθα για λίγες μέρες, καμιά κοσαριά. Και ήρθα μια βόλτα πάνω επειδή έμαθα ότι ήρθες. Να δούμε τι θα γίνει, να κάνει προπόνηση, λίγο να δούμε τι βάζει. Και έχουμε πει, τον Καραζάτο θα εμφανίζεται σε διάφορα δρόμενα.
Έτσι,
μπορεί να μην είμαστε ενεργοί, αλλά σε δρόμενα θα υπάρχουμε. Από πίσω θα υποβόσκουμε. Γύρω-γύρω.
Το αρέσει να είναι από πίσω, κατάλαβες.
Πάντα από πίσω. Ποτέ μπροστά, ποτέ μπροστά.
Until then, I'll settle for living how the millionaires do, but with the southern girl who can cook, so we got better food.
Babe, supper's ready.
It's true though. Life is but a dream, and if you know what I mean, I never knew what butter did you in beans, and all I used to eat was shit from steam, and all my money it's like a dream. And the way don't mean to brag, but I spent my life in the lab to get okay. It feels good to get out of town for now, for lounging with a visor, no need to buy some shades. I got $100 from $250,000 plays. I mean, shit sucks, but what could I do? I still got good luck as fuck, I hope that you do too. I don't wish a negative thought on anybody I knew, cause that karma could bite you like the rattlesnake did the dude who had a pill in the visa. I think my visa payment is due. Assume that I sooner or later go boom. Until then, I'll settle for living how the millionaires do, but with the southern girl who can cook, so we got better food.
Babe, supper's ready.
It's true though. Life is but a dream, and if you know what I mean, I never knew what butter did you green beans, and all I used to eat was shit from steam, and all my money it's like a dream.
A really big thanks to Sakis, giving me 2 pairs of to try his car. It's perfect. Hey, Samurai, what engine is this?
It's 2.5 liters.
Bundesliga. Yeah. So it's a 2.5 wagon, and it's almost full interior and everything. So as you see, it has a lot of weight, which we have to work on it to reduce the weight. But already the car is like sliding around like perfectly. Yeah, nothing fancy, just a missile. Let's enjoy the rest of the day. I don't think we'll have any more tires because we did kill 2 sets. And I hope you enjoyed the small POV. This place is fucking amazing. This is in Zakynthos, Lithakia track. If you search on Google Maps. We're gonna also have thanks for George Clavis to make us cool content with the drone. Yeah, I mean, that's cool. Let's go see George. George Clavis, our new drone pilot.
I will be driving the pilot. I learned that on military. Now I'm a sorry, I got my tongue struggle. So I will be throwing bombs while Vitali will be driving. I will be throwing bombs behind. You know?
Bananas.
Yeah, exactly. He will be spinning like that.
Cool, yeah. So it's a really cool track. You should come and try Zakynthos. They're opening for the cars on Sundays, and also as you see there's a big space there. Well, people can come and join and see the track, and I don't know, maybe you can even ask for a drift taxi or something. But in general, it's worth it. It's near from the Lagana and whatever, all of the cities around it. So yeah.
I watch her leave the seasons. This breezes Jesus, the seizures about as cool as my t-shirt. This chick is old school like Shelter with Adidas. She feed me shellfish, I need it since I don't need beef for chicken. Pork was bleeding. Y'all had enough of your summer, go leave and go back to Bummer, Ohio. Why only wild out on the weekends? I'm on a surface safari with a stunner for certain, sir. I'm sorry if you only thought of putting just your feet in. Now repeat it. And I'm on my way away from here. Bloody Mary, and I'm on my way away to you. Reach a lot of place where through. Now all them girls that got kids go out. Get the babysitter paid and don't go home now. I've been on, but don't forget phone calls out. But it goes two ways like a freak so wild. I was there to get a seat, I was good up in the house. My thoughts are so unique, I may blow now.
Έχει τίποτα. Έχει λάστιχο πίσω. Μακάρι να πει ναι, μακάρι να πει ναι. Μακάρι να πει ναι.
Έχει, ναι.
Έχει!
Ναι.
Yes. Λάστιχο άλλο.
Τι δεν μετράει.
Γιατί δεν έχει μέσα καθόλου.
Δεν έχει μέσα καθόλου.
Όχι, είναι όχι.
Α, ωραία. Βάλε πόσα θες
Έβαλα.
και play.
Δεν θα βάλει λίγο ακόμα.
Γιατί? Για να δούμε άμα βάζει. Ναι, μωρέ, θέλει τέτοια καινούργια.
Η λέξη για να αγχώσεις το Σάκη είναι η λέξη να πεις local hero. Μόνο έτσι το αγχώνεις. Έτσι τον έχεις πεθάνει.
Storytelling σοβαρό, εδώ πέρα πώς τραγάραμε τον Κορόλα.
Ήταν η δεύτερη φορά που οδηγάω, κάνω drift βασικά γενικά. Και την πρώτη φορά που είχα έρθει είχα τρελαθεί, λέω τέλειο, πάμε. Μπαίνω ένα πέρασμα. Οκ, ξέρεις, ψιλοπαίρνω λίγο στροφή, σολάρι γιατί είναι και turbo, δεν είχα ιδέα. Μου είχαν πει το κάνεις και ωραία με τον γκάζι, πατάς ωραία γκάζι, το ρυθμίζεις, δεν είσαι τέρμα. Και μπαίνω στο εισάκι που έχουμε και κάνω...
Και σου λέει εντάξει θα πάω. Που το είπαν.
Ναι, και κάνω ένα ένομα. Άρα λέω το έχω. Και έτσι όπως ξαναμπαίνω στην ευθεία, και είμαι... Και κάτι που κάνω, το αφήνω, γιατί και στην προφορά του Κορόλα δεν είναι εύκολο αυτοκίνητο να μάθεις ρε φίλε το 86 και μου κάνει τη μόνη αυτό μόνο του και φεύγω slide πάνω στο βουνό. Έχω βιντεάκι, μόνο να στο δώσω να το βάλεις.
Ναι.
Το έχω.
Το είπε πολύ τζαπανιά με φάρος,
Ναι, λέω το έχω, δεύτερη φορά που οδηγάω, ξέρω.
Ξέρει, τον πήρε την πρώτη, το πήγε καλά και σου λέει τη δεύτερη τώρα σίγουρα έχω μάθει.
Μπορώ να το σπάσω.
Μπορώ να το σπάσω.
Απλά δεν μου εξήγησαν τι εννοείς με το σπάστο, δεν κατάλαβα ότι είναι σπάστο. Εγώ κατάλαβα σπάστο.
Σπάστο του, το σπάς καλά.
Έτσι, τα έχω όλα σε βίντεο.
So as you see, they are taking it quite long. It's already night and they have lights and everything. So yeah, this was a really cool refreshment and reminding myself that I still can drive rather than I haven't driven for almost like 6 months or 7 months. It was quite cool. It was quite cool. I really miss it, but we're so close to finishing the car and taking the car on the track. So next stop probably gonna be Risio, but we will see. I'm not sure yet, and maybe we're gonna bring the car here for a month or two. We will see. So thanks for watching, and say goodbye.
Goodbye guys, thanks for watching.